Disabling two-factor authentication on your Wish account can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Wish app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled security or privacy. Click on this section to access your security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Wish account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password.